Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking the path, Premium Background Play or a browser trick. Enable background playback in YouTube Premium or open YouTube in Chrome/Safari and request the desktop site. This lets audio persist when you leave the tab. Make sure battery optimization or restrictive mode is off for the app. Otherwise, the OS may kill audio when you close YouTube. Once done, start the video and confirm sound plays while you switch away to a different app or your home screen. Now you create the persistent audio state. On Android, open Chrome, request desktop site, play the video, then press home to trigger picture-in-picture or let audio continue in background. Make sure PyP is enabled in settings. On iOS, use Safari, request desktop site, start playback, then swipe up or press home. iOS PyP or lock screen controls can keep audio live. If you have YouTube Music, use its background playback option. This is cleaner and more reliable than browser hacks. Finish by closing the YouTube window or locking your device. Audio should continue through PyP or the background service you started. If sound cuts out, first make sure background app refresh and battery optimization exemptions are set. These often stop background audio. Next, clear app/browser cache, sign out and back in, and verify YouTube Premium status if you used that feature. If problems persist, restart the device. This resets background services and usually results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.